Ngakolunye uhlangothi amaciko ezingcitha buchopho kanye namalungu omphakathi babuthane eSoweto Theatre eJabulani ngomgqibelo ukuzohlonipha enye yengqalabutho ezaqhamuka nemicabango yokulwisana nobukoloni neyabake ngumengameli wokuqala wophiko lwentsha ye-ANC uAnton Lembede ngesikhathi kukhunjulwa inyanga yentsha. Kulo mbuthano kube nenkulumo noma ngathi nezinkulumo ngesikhumbuzo sakhe, ukuhaywa kweyinkondlo kanye nomculo wokubungaza ubuqhawe bakhe kanye nomthelela abanawo ngemicabango yobumbano lobu-Afrika kanjalo nomzabalazo wenkululeko. Ngokuhlaluke kulolu hlelo, izikhulumi zosuku igqamiseke ukubaluleka kukaLembede zenxusa nabantu abasha ukuthi ke bethola ugqozi kwimbono yakhe njengoba ke bebhekene nezinselelo zenhlalo yanamuhla.
Segqugquzelwe isizwe esinsundu ukuba sibuyele emasisweni sikhumbule imisebenzi yamaqhawe namaqhawekazi anikela ngezimpilo zawo ukulwela inkululeko yaseNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu kuvele njengoba bekuqhubeka isikhumbuzo sikamuzi wakhe Anton Lembede ngeqhaza lakhe ku-Pan-Africanism njengethuluzi lokumelana nokubuswa kwamakholoni.
We have been commemorating a very important, youth activist and icon of the liberation struggle, Babu Muziwakhe Anton Lembede, and we honored him through a memorial lecture that was delivered by Dr. Pedro Mzileni, and after that we unpacked so many of his ideas, so much of his intellectual legacy. It was really an uplifting moment because it was a session that was attended by children, by young people, by older generation, scholars and thinkers who are very passionate about the teachings of Anton Lembede. And today, this day was not just about unpacking those ideas, but also about how do you use poetry, as a way of invoking the spirit of Anton Lembede.
Kusenjalo amaciko asebenzisa ubuciko ukugqugquzela ukuzithanda komuntu ompisholo athi ke kubalekile ukugcina umlando ukuze nephambili likhanye.
Into engayisho la ku youth ukuthi ke let's be activist about impilo esiphila kuyo. It's good ukuthi celebrate, but we must also question ukuthi ke singathi are you guys free if you are living in such abject poverty? These are questions that you need to grapple with as the youth, because you are not just a youth yamanje, you are the parents bakusasa. So you also need to start thinking about the future that you want to live and the country that you want to see and the continent that you want to see.
Lesi sikhumbuzo siza nje kuleli ligubha iminyaka engama-50 e-1976 Soweto Uprising neminyaka engama-32 kwavotelwa uhulumeni wenkululeko. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngisejabulani.